Alright, the camera's on.
Camera's on.
Let's see this.
What is this, exhaust leak fix or whatever?
This is, what step are we at? What do we call this step? Cleaning the exhaust manifold.
Yeah, I guess you could call it that.
Let's see this.
I guess I can hold it with this and scrub her up like a whore, I guess.
Keep scrubbing that.
It's just like as clean as it's gonna get.
I don't know why. Why do we have to clean it?
Because that's what the instructions said. We only need to clean this fucking fat edge. That's it. And then it'll be perfect.
It'll be mint.
It'll be mint. That's as clean as this thing's gonna get. And then we can fucking.
We should get a GoPro.
We should.
Oh, and then JB weld it.
And then we'll JB weld the edges. It's hot. That'll work.
Alright. And close the video. This is retarded.
It's kind of retarded.